Hey there. All right. So the reality is that AI replacing jobs is everywhere right now, and it's not theoretical anymore. Okay? It's happening. People are actually being let go. Every salesperson is wondering if they're next. You may have felt that way. And so right now there's real firings happening. It's not theoretical. Google's cutting roles while going all in on Gemini. Meta's year of efficiency. Square just laid off 4,000 people, Jack Dorsey. Amazon corporate layoffs, plus warehouse automation. Salesforce is pushing AI while trimming headcount. IBM is publicly saying AI is replacing certain roles. You're not debating why, you're just pointing at what's already happening. Okay? So here's the reality of how companies are actually using AI today. AI is being used to reduce headcount, raise output expectations, justify cost cutting. Sales teams are hearing do more with less, that AI should help you hit the same numbers with fewer people. This isn't about replacing bad reps, it's about reducing reliance on people altogether. So companies assume that AI only helps at scale. They assume that individuals can't compete. They assume that budgets matter more than skill. But here's what's interesting. Same tools companies are using now are available to individuals. There's been a demarcation of the AI capabilities now. Outreach, data, automation, deal sourcing, none of it is exclusive anymore. Companies think AI lets reps be squeezed, lets them squeeze reps. But in reality, AI lets reps go find companies that need deals closed and bring opportunities instead of waiting. It puts the closer, the agency owner, in the driver's seat. It's a complete flipping of who holds the power. But you got to understand this. You got to understand that you have the most valuable skill set on planet Earth, the ability to close. Now, we're not talking about closing commodity type of transactions. Okay, that AI can certainly do that. We're talking about beefy, high ticket type of deals that AI is incapable of doing yet at scale, which means you are in the driver's seat. So, and you don't need a big logo, you don't need a huge team, you don't need a giant marketing budget. You can operate independently with almost zero overhead, almost zero overhead. And the best reps, they always adapt faster. They don't argue with reality, they don't fight it, they move towards leverage. AI doesn't remove closers, it removes excuses and middle layers to put the closer in the driver's seat. If you can close, AI just cleared a wide open path for you. The shift is already happening. The only question is whether you're watching or you're moving. The reps figuring this out are not doing it alone, they're doing it together. So if this hits home, come join us inside of our free community. It's got over 6,000 of us figuring this all out together. It's free. Sales professionals who are done waiting on a company to hand them their future. So come introduce yourself and see what people are already building. God bless.